Alright guys, this is a quick breaking news weather alert update. We have heavy rainfall. So what we're going to show y'all, we have heavy rainfall up in sections of central Mississippi, and we have some shower activity up in sections of northeastern Mississippi going into Memphis. But I'm gonna show y'all the models here and surface stuff. So the model showed us that there will be a supercell storms developing in sections of Florida. It's going to become more linear and then fall apart as it gets off land. But there will be gusty winds, large hail, and possibility of a few tornadoes are possible with this line. The models also show some storms forming across sections of Georgia into Atlanta, storms developing around sections of Alabama into sections of Mississippi. Alabama may see some storms on the 15th or 16th. That does seem to be our concern. We're monitoring it very closely, but we have a serious threat here. These storms are firing. Birmingham, Alabama might see some storm. Might see a couple storms tomorrow. But this is the most concern here. This storm will become a linear line. It will produce some wind. Let me show you guys now let's go to models. So let's show y'all the surface cape. That tells us how unstable it is. No, let's do the 0 to 3 kilometer cape. Hang on, it doesn't show right. ML cape. It shows some high cape here. Let me loop this one up. If I could try. I can't do that, but that shows to 2 millimeter temperatures. It's very warm and it's very muggy and humid over here up in Tampa, which means it's very unstable atmosphere, and it's very prime conditions for these storms to fire and do severe weather and start severe weather, and we'll do severe weather. And it's going to start severe storms because the line will become linear, and it will start to do some stuff here as it moves in. But this is going to be this will just be a linear type of setup. Okay, this is only going to be a linear setup. It's not going to be supercells or anything like that. It's just going to be a linear line of storms that will produce large hail, damaging winds. Maybe some tornadoes possible with these, but I'm not optimistic about tornadoes today. But let's go, for safety reasons, let's go to the actual let's go to the if you guys see lagging, I apologize for the inconvenience here. So let's show y'all cloud meteorology here. That's how so that I can see the models on there. Let's look at NamMest model, and we're gonna go to Florida, and we're going to look at things here. So first we're gonna look at this. It shows the same thing that I saw on WSV3. It shows a wind of some storms developing around Florida. Keep an eye on it. And then we got the convective. We have 3 kilometer helicity. That shows a high rate of helicity here. Some helicity. Let's look at the most unstable cape and shear for this area. We're seeing almost 3,000 joules of cape. Let's look at HRRR on that. Let's actually switch to HRRR. That shows that we have up to about 1,000 joules, up to about there's not that high of cape for Florida, but there could be some severe weather tonight across sections of Florida. The significant tornado parameters is at a 2 or 3, which is very low. The supercell composite is also at a 4 to 5. 0 kilometer cape, 0 to 3 kilometer cape here. Looking at that, and we're seeing about 100 to 200 joules of cape here in this area, which is not that big of a concern. It's not that big of an issue. I don't know how bad this is gonna be. So, but the surface here, we're looking at our wind gust. We'll be seeing gusts up to gusts are expected to rise about 20 miles per hour to maybe higher. Relative humidity is in the upper 90s. The SFC visibility is there too, and the temperature is very warm and muggy. It's very muggy out, so it's very muggy, which means there's going to be which means that it is very unstable atmosphere. The dew point temperature shows that that could reach the upper 70s or lower 70s. But this is going to be it's going to be really muggy and unstable, which tells us that it's prime for severe weather in the state of Florida. Okay? But, yeah, so if you guys are now aware of this situation, we are going to be seeing we're going to be seeing a linear line of storms develop tonight, but it's all going to clear out. There's going to be more storms off in Florida, but I don't know the chances of them becoming severe. But that seems to be a low chance of that happening. So, if there's anything new that I have, I'll keep you guys posted. But until then, have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day.